What is good, everybody? It is Carlos Cup, and I'm back at you guys with another tutorial. It's going to be a low skin fade with number 4 on top. So now let's get into it. I already marked the line of the skin fade. Now I'm using the lever open, trying to fade it in that line. Little by little, I start close the lever so it can get closer to the skin. I'm using the whole blade, but later on I start using just the corner of the blade. As much I close the lever, I use the corner. You see how the line disappear already? We don't you not even realize when it disappear, because it's little by little. Then I'm going to that line going to disappear, that line right there right now with the small number 2. I'm using the babyliss with the lever close. I close the lever. I try not to go too high, just like an inch, not too high, because then I'm going to use number 3. Now I'm using number 3 with the lever open. As you can see, I already closed the lever. Now I'm using the regular number 2 with the lever open. I'm trying to go little by little. I know some barber they don't even open the lever, but I rather to open it and go little by little. Always brush the hair so that you can see any shadow right there, any dark part of the hair, and brush the hair and always go in the opposite direction of the hair. This type of hair, I go right and left. You're going to see later. Now I'm going to the left, as you can see, then to the right, because some type of hair, I mean, most of the hair, they grow in different directions, so you need to find the opposite way all the time. Keep brushing the hair all the time, so like that you can see clearly what you're doing, especially the skin fade. That's what made the skin fade come out crispy, smooth. Brushing. Customer doesn't like to keep hair on his head all the time, so keep cleaning the face. That helps a lot as well. So that little line right there, that was the line between the small number 2 and the half. Now I explain how to use the number 1. I'm using the number 1. Don't use the whole blade. I mean, some barber they use the whole blade, but I start using it just the corner of the blade with the lever open, as you can see. I'm just using the corner. You're going to see later how that line it disappear like magic. That's the senior wall that I'm using right now. Okay guys, so there it is. There is no line anymore. No line.